Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create or make your picture round in Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your home page, which should appear this way. Then click on whatever template you want to edit by searching it for it here. Let's assume you want to create a presentation. You can click on it here. So once you've clicked on it and selected the templates, you would be brought to a page similar to this. And let's just assume you already have the picture you want to make circle. Let's assume it's this, any picture in would work, but let's assume we want to create or make this picture into circle. We can see it's square right now. All you have to do is go to your element section and search for the word frame or mockup, or just search for frame. You would see mockup beneath, so click on all. You see the frame, you see mockup, so you can just choose the circular frame here, click on it, and hold your image and drag it into the circle of the frame, and there you have it. You've created a circle frame for your picture, your photo, and that is how to do it on Canva. So if you've enjoyed this video guys, please let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.